Instagram, I asked if you wanted to see a quick tutorial on how I curl my hair, and 97% of people said yes, so I'm going to do it. It's really simple. This is my hair just blow dried without anything really. I'm going to use a little bit of this smoothing, it's actually blow dry spray, but I'm going to put it in just on the ends right now to make sure that I'll use probably a little bit of this sunlight finishing spray just to like hold any flyaways down, but I will speed it up so you guys can see. The curling iron that I'm using is this Conair one. I bought this in like CVS, but it works really good. It has a lot of different temperatures up to 30. I always keep it on the highest. And it has like a turbo mode, which I'm not 100% sure what that does, but I always keep it on that too. So it's pretty hot. I do my hair in sections. I don't section it off like with a clip or anything, but I do it in sections starting from the back and moving towards the front to get it all, and then I focus on the top a little bit more just to get the extra curls like spaced out and stuff. I try to pull the curls down too so that way they don't look too curly, and then throughout the day they kind of get less and less, which is how I like it. So here we go. Under 10 minutes that I do it in. I don't like to take a lot of time. Then I just add a little to hold it for the day. The curls will fall down a little bit, which is good because I don't like them really curly. But right now they'll start this. But as I walk and stuff, they'll come out, and that's it. That's how I do these curls. Really easy, really simple. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you want to see more of my everyday routines and stuff, you can go to my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff there. And that's it. Hope you guys like this. Leave your comments. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you soon. Have a good day.